Weak legs after 60. 3 shocking vitamins restore strength in days. Hello, ladies and dear friends. Today we'll discuss an issue many women over 60 face. Weak legs, difficulty standing for long periods or climbing stairs. Many think this is a normal sign of aging, but the latest research shows it could actually be a sign of nutritional deficiencies affecting muscle and nerve function. I once met Mary, a 65-year-old client of ours. She complained about increasingly weak legs, feeling tired while walking and worrying about fall risks. But after applying the methods we'll share today, she was able to return to her yoga class and even join her grandchildren on a hiking trip. Join me as we discover 3 important vitamins that can help restore strength to your legs in just a few days. The problem of weak legs after 60. According to recent studies, about 30% of women over 60 experience leg strength issues, making movement more difficult. This affects not only physical health, but also independence and quality of life. But why do legs weaken as we age? There are 3 main causes: essential vitamin deficiencies. As we age, our nutrient absorption decreases due to reduced stomach acid. This leads to deficiencies in vitamins essential for muscle strength. Poor blood circulation. The aging process reduces blood flow, especially in the legs. This causes feelings of heaviness, cramping, and fatigue. Reduced physical activity. When we move less muscles quickly, atrophy. This is the use it or lose it phenomenon. The good news is, these issues can be significantly improved with just a few simple changes in nutrition and lifestyle. Vitamin D3, the master switch for leg strength. Vitamin D3 is known as the master switch for muscle strength, especially in legs. Recent research from the Washington Post shows vitamin D not only supports bone health, but may also slow the aging process at the cellular level. Vitamin D3 has 3 important roles. Supports calcium absorption. Calcium isn't just important for bones, but is also essential for effective muscle contraction. Enhances nerve signal transmission. Helps the brain and muscles communicate better, improving reflexes and balance. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the causes of muscle weakness in older adults. A notable study found that vitamin D3 supplementation can increase leg strength by up to 20% after just 5 days. This is an amazing result showing the importance of this vitamin. How to boost vitamin D3 sunlight. 15-20 minutes of sun exposure daily before 10 a.m. or after 4 p.m. Vitamin D-rich foods. Salmon, tuna, egg yolks. Mushrooms, vitamin D3 supplements. Consult your doctor about appropriate dosage, usually 1,000-2,000 IU daily for women over 60. Vitamin B12, the secret for nerve health and balance. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve health and balance, 2 essential factors for leg strength. According to WebMD, B12 deficiency is often confused with normal signs of aging when in fact it's a treatable issue. B12 deficiency can cause numbness in legs and arms, difficulty maintaining balance, poor motor coordination, increased fall risk. A study published on PMC PubMed Central found a direct link between higher vitamin B12 levels and better balance ability in community-dwelling older adults. How to boost vitamin B12, B12-rich foods, meat, fish, eggs, milk, and dairy products. B12 fortified foods, fortified cereals, fortified soy milk. B12 supplements, oral tablets or sublingual sprays for better absorption. Barbara's story at 68 is a typical example. She frequently felt dizzy and unbalanced when walking. After testing, her doctor discovered she had a serious B12 deficiency. Just 3 weeks after supplementation, she felt more stable and could confidently join a dance class for seniors. Vitamin B1 thiamine, energy source for muscles. Vitamin B1 or thiamine is the energy engine for your muscles. It plays a key role in converting food into energy used by muscles and improves neuromuscular coordination. Vitamin B1 deficiency can cause fatigue and muscle weakness, feeling of heaviness in legs, pain and discomfort during movement, reduced reflexability. The good news is after B1 supplementation, many people notice significant improvement in just a few days, especially for fatigue and heaviness in legs. How to boost vitamin B1, B1-rich foods, nuts, beans, whole grains, lean meat, combine with magnesium. Magnesium helps enhance vitamin B1 effectiveness. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. Both can reduce vitamin B1 absorption. Janet, 72, shared with me, "I always thought the heavy, tired feeling in my legs was normal at my age. But after supplementing with vitamin B1 as my doctor suggested, I feel like I'm 10 years younger. Now I can play with my grandchildren all day without feeling exhausted." Combining vitamins and gentle movement. The real secret to healthy legs after 60 is combining vitamin supplements with gentle exercise. Research shows that supplementing with vitamins D3, B12, and B1 combined with light physical activity can quickly restore leg strength, mobility, and independence. Simple exercises to incorporate. Walk 10-15 minutes daily. Gradually increase time according to ability. Practice sit to stand from a chair. 5-10 times daily. Balance practice. Stand on one leg with safe support for 10-30 seconds. Gentle stretching. Practice leg muscle stretches each morning. The important thing is that high-intensity exercise isn't necessary. Just gentle, regular movement combined with smart nutrition is enough to see significant improvement. As we've seen, weak leg strength after 60 isn't something unchangeable. With a combination of 3 important vitamins, D3, B12, and B1, along with gentle movement, you can restore significant strength and flexibility in just a few days. Remember that. Vitamin D3 is the master switch for muscle strength. Vitamin B12 supports nerve health and balance. Vitamin B1 is an energy source for muscles. Combining good nutrition with gentle exercise will yield the best results. Before starting any vitamin supplement program, always consult your doctor to determine the appropriate dosage for your health condition. Remember, age is just a number. With proper care, you can maintain independence, stay active, and enjoy life fully at every stage. Thank you for watching. Please leave comments about your experiences, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful health tips for mature women.